Hi everyone. This week we're going to talk about graphing. So let's take a look at our graph. We want to know which one is your favorite ride. So on this axis you have all of our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On this axis you have the rides that you can ride that people can say are their favorites. They are the roller coaster, the merry-go-round, the pirate ship, and the hopper. Those are all rides that we found in our story that we read this week. So let's say in this graph that 6 people liked the roller coaster. Let's count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say that 3 people rode the like the merry-go-round the best. 1, 2, 3. One person's favorite ride is the pirate ship. 1. And 3 people like the hopper. 1, 2, 3. So 6 people like the roller coaster, 3 people like the merry-go-round, 1 person likes the pirate ship, and 3 people like the hopper. You'll need this graph to answer your math questions this week. Bye everyone.